Hello guys, again you are with me. My name is Rahul Singh, and in this class of Catia V5 we learn about the shaft command. Okay, this is our I think 12th class, and in this class we learn about the shaft command first. Okay, so first thing we have to select one sketch. We have to make any loop shape. Okay, what is your requirement? Suppose I'll make simple one poly type shape. I'll give. For poly type we have to give one profile like this. Cross section we have to give. Okay, one type or one side cross section we have to say this. Okay, because on this axis we will rotate this. Okay, so this is very important. You have to assume that this is our center line and this is the cross section of the pulley or whatever you want to make. Okay, so this is very important to assume that. The imagination is very important here. Okay, first you need to check your profile, it has been closed or not. So if it is closed, then it is okay, you should quit from this. Then we have to rotate this. Okay, if I will rotate from here, then what should we do? We have to select this is shaft command. When we'll select the shaft command, it will open this box. Okay, so box is asking first angle, second angle. First angle means from here to this side or this side. Okay, so both angle. Okay, so first side 360 degrees. Okay, second should be 0 because total should be 360. Okay, then sketch we have selected. Okay, then axis, it is asking axis, so we have to click here, then axis we have to give here, then okay, see this condition. Okay, if you can see this part. Okay, so this is our rotate or shaft command, because in other softwares we can call it rotate, and like Pro E and other Unigraphics, this is rotate command. Okay, but here we call it shaft command. The second command is groove command. Okay, groove means removing the material. In this command we are making the material, but groove means we are removing the material with the axis. Okay, so first we have to select plane, then sketch. On this profile, and on this profile, suppose I should remove from here to here. Okay, then I'll make profile, same like rotate command or shaft command. I should make the profile cross section. Okay, I'll make the cross section. Suppose this small cross section we made here. Okay, we should quit. Then same thing it will open for groove command also. See, sketch, already this is the sketch, axis, same axis. See this. So now in this condition, if you see, this has been cut from here. Okay, whatever cut section we have made in the sketch, that already cut. Okay, so that is also very important. And the most important thing, why we can use this. See, if suppose in one sketch only we can make this, but sometimes we need some things 360 degree and some command for 270 degree. Okay, suppose this groove command I'll take only for 200 degree. Okay, then what will happen? See, from here to here, that only cut will occur. Okay, so this is, see this from here to here, that side. Okay, in this selection this groove is not there. Okay, so that is beauty of this command. Okay, so thank you very much, and please subscribe the channel and please press the bell icon also to keep update with my videos. Thank you.